Uniswap value equivalent to $4.1561 a coin. The present reach: $4.1112, $4.1704. The earlier day close: $4.1444. The change was plus 0.0117, plus 0.28%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.46. Most extreme cost $4.69, least cost $3.44. The normal for the month $4.17. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.07, change for October 8.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.07. Greatest cost $4.35, least cost $3.65. The normal for the month $4.02. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4, change for November 1.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $4.00. Greatest cost $4.37, least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.06. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.08, change for December 2.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $4.08. Most extreme cost $4.08, least cost $3.19. The normal for the month $3.70. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.43, change for January 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.43. Most extreme cost $4.26, least cost $3.43. The normal for the month $3.78. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.98, change for February 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at $3.98. Greatest cost $4.47, least cost $3.89. The normal for the month $4.13. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.18, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.18. Greatest cost $4.18, least cost $3.58. The normal for the month $3.95. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.85, change for April 7.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.85. Most extreme cost $3.85, least cost $3.22. The normal for the month $3.60. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.46, change for May 10.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. Initially, cost at $3.46. Most extreme cost $3.46, least cost $3. The normal for the month $3.29. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.23, change for June 6.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.23. Most extreme cost $3.42, least cost $2.98. The normal for the month $3.21. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.20, change for July 0.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. Initially, cost at $3.20. Most extreme cost $3.97, least cost $3.20. The normal for the month $3.52. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.71, change for August 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.71. Greatest cost $3.71, least cost $3.04. The normal for the month $3.43. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.27, change for September 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October. Greatest cost $3.27, least cost $2.56. The normal for the month $2.96. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.75, change for October 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $1.21. Most extreme cost $1.21, least cost 95 cents. The normal for the month $1.10. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.02, change for December 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $1.02. Most extreme cost $1.26, least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.12. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.18, change for January 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.18. Greatest cost $1.42, least cost $1.18. The normal for the month $1.28. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.33, change for February 12.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $1.33. Greatest cost $1.33, least cost $1.04. The normal for the month $1.21. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.12, change for spring 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $1.12. Greatest cost $1.12, least cost 87 cents. The normal for the month $1.01. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 94 cents, change for April 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.94. Greatest cost $1.17, least cost 94 cents. The normal for the month $1.04. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.09, change for May 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $1.09. Greatest cost $1.35, least cost $1.09. The normal for the month $1.20. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.26, change for June 15.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $1.26. Most extreme cost $1.56, least cost $1.26. The normal for the month $1.39. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.